And our next set of contestants in the same category. This is a big category, everybody.
Got a lot of competitors.
It's unusual that this category we have so many. Ladies, I please remind you that use the entirety of the stage at your disposal. Judges ready? Jumpers? Nice job, ladies. Very subtle, very beautiful, nice job.
Got a fan club out there. Everyone's doing
Wait
great.
for your final pose. If the judges are satisfied. Judges are satisfied. Thank you, ladies. Please exit to your left.
All right, this is the last for the ladies and the 22 to 26.